Hello, welcome to the latest episode of Driving with Dan. This is episode 43, and today is the 28th of January 2019. I haven't spoken for a while. That's because I've had exams and stuff and other excuses that I'm going to make up. I'm back again. I keep saying that. I think it's every video now. Hopefully I should be more regular with content. So I think the main focus of this video is going to be Grand Tour, because I haven't spoken to you since we've seen it return. And we're 2 weeks into it now, but 3 episodes. That's because we had the Columbia special, which was a 2-part episode, no episodes even. And oh my god, it's brilliant. I've really enjoyed this series so far. Actually, I think they have actually listened to what everyone was saying, which I think seems to be similar to what I was saying, in which there wasn't really much of a story or a reason for them to be doing anything. And actually, I think there's a lack of creativity with the previous 2 seasons, but suddenly they've got really good stories, really good ideas, and if the rest of the season continues like this, I think we're in for a real treat. So the first episode was in Detroit, where they were in 3 muscle cars, and just having a bit of fun, really, which was just brilliant to see, and it felt like watching old Top Gear again. It was brilliant. And also in that there was an actual sort of a focused review on the McLaren Senna as well, which was brilliant, really. Broke the record for their track, which even included the Aston Martin Vulcan, so the road-going Senna was faster than the track-going Vulcan. Crazy. But no, really good episode. So that was the first episode that came out, 2 weeks ago now. And then they had the Columbia special, which came out this weekend, which if you haven't seen, go and watch. It is just a real sort of art back to the old Top Gear days with the really good challenges. Because their aim was they had to be wildlife photographers out in Colombia to take pictures for Amazon's Fire Stick or something for its backgrounds. Which is actually a very good idea. I think it's quite a good challenge. It's not just being a bit silly for no reason, because I don't know if you remember the very first season where they had the Maseratis, wasn't it? And they had the Maseratis and they just destroyed them, but there was no reason. They had no story to tell. Whilst with this photography, they've got a reason, they've got a focus. And there's such a good variety of cars. So James May brought a Fiat Panda 4x4, whilst in comparison, Richard bought this Chevrolet Silverado that had been lifted on huge wheels and something. And that contrast was just brilliant. It really worked. And I was amazed, actually, to how well the Panda did. To be sort of in serious off-roading and keep up with that and a Jeep Wrangler was very impressive, I liked that Panda 4x4. But no, really good. So I'm hoping to see this creativity and brilliance sort of continue through to the rest of the series. And if so, then good luck Top Gear now, I think. Especially as this is the last season with Matt LeBlanc on Top Gear. I don't know how that one's going to go. Yes. So then the next topic then is kind of linking to the first episode of Grand Tour. So they were in Detroit, and they were going around by like the Packard factory and the Cadillac factory as well. But the Packard bridge is the really famous bridge that is sort of instantly recognisable with Detroit, has actually collapsed, which I think just shows the state that Detroit is in. And actually these buildings have been abandoned for quite a long time now, and they're really starting to fall apart. So I'll show you a picture of the bridge now. So instantly you recognise that, and you go, how did that collapse? That looked really good. But it turns out that isn't actually what the bridge looked like. It was just a bit of sort of a tarpaulin over it. So yeah, you think, oh, that'd be really strong, it looks good as new. And it wasn't. That actually threw me as well. So the next topic then is Alonso. And Fernando Alonso, of course, left Formula 1 from McLaren 2 years ago now. He's been getting very much into endurance racing. And this weekend, actually, he went to Daytona for the 24-hour World Endurance Racing at the Daytona Inner Circuit track, And he was racing with Cadillac, which I was surprised to see. I hadn't really been following it at all. I went, oh, Cadillac racing? And, yeah, apparently. And, yeah, no, it was a very, very wet race. I believe 2 hours had to be called off, so it was actually 22 hours of Daytona. But no, Alonso won, which is brilliant to hear. So I'm glad for him and the Cadillac team. So that's good to hear. And I wonder how they're going to do at Le Mans now, because if they believe it, we're into this year's season of the World Endurance, so it'll be the same team at Le Mans if they do the full World Endurance season, right? I think. So yes, possibly Alonso could win at Le Mans in a Cadillac. Interesting to see where that goes. And then the last topic, which is one that everyone's seen, but I just thought I would mention it, is the Supra A90, which is the brand new Supra, which is actually a BMW Z4. And everyone's heard that. Everyone's getting a bit interested, going, well, how much of it is BMW then? Are we really getting a Toyota Supra here? Or is it just a rebadged cheaper, I believe, Z4? And it could be. I don't know. I think I wouldn't be the most reliable source ever, so Google it. And that's it. Yeah, no, I think Grand Tour has been the highlight over these last 2 weeks, and been absolutely brilliant. I'm really, really, really excited to see more of that, and we've got an extra 10 weeks or something now, so we've got plenty to watch, which is brilliant. I'm really, really excited to see more. So, yes, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short, rather rubbish video in which you weren't informed very much. Anyway, thank you for watching. I will see you hopefully next week if I'm good. I don't know if I will be able to do next week. No, I will do next week, and I might be in a car. There we are. Anyway, farewell.